everyone. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Chalo, now we are going to sing We Shall Overcome today. So let's start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hands. We shall walk hands in hands. We shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. Okay. So, Himanshi, switch on the camera. Kids, come sit in front of the screen and switch on your camera. Okay. So, kids, today the day is Saturday and the date is 14th August 2021. Which month is going on? August. So today is 14th August 2021. So tomorrow is 15th August. As I told you earlier also, 15th August we used to celebrate every year as Independence Day. हम कैसे celebrate करते हैं? Independence Day की तरह. Because many years back, बहुत साल पहले इंडिया पर ब्रिटिश रूल करते थे. ओके सो जिस दिन ब्रिटिशर्स इंडिया से चले गए, हम फ्री हो गए, उस दिन को हम फ्रीडम के उसमें मनाते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंस डे के रूप में मनाते हैं. ठीक है. सो 15th August इज द डे which we celebrate, which we used to celebrate every year is the Independence Day. ठीक है. So tomorrow is Independence Day and tomorrow is Sunday, so we are going to do the activity of Independence Day today only. But before that, let's talk about the flag. Okay, can you see the flag? So, ma'am had told you कि our national flag has three colors, three color bands होते हैं. ठीक है. That's why it is known as तिरंगा. इसलिए इसे तिरंगा कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं तिरंगा? Because it has three color bands. The first one is saffron. सबसे ऊपर saffron है, उसके नीचे white है and सबसे नीचे है green. So, मैम ने आपको बताया था कि हर कलर का कुछ ना कुछ मतलब है. They symbolize some or the other thing. So the first color, that is saffron. Saffron color is the symbol of bravery. Bravery मतलब हिम्मत. हिम्मत का symbol है. ठीक है. Saffron color is the symbol of bravery. Saffron color किसे symbolize करता है? Bravery. हिम्मत को symbolize करता है. Then second one is white. White is the symbol of peace. Peace, शांति. White किसका symbol है? Peace का. जैसे हम लोगों को लड़ाई झगड़े पसंद नहीं है. We all love peace. है ना? It is a symbol of peace. शांति का प्रतीक है. Then the third band is green color. आपको दिख रहा है? Can you see? So green color is the symbol of prosperity. Prosperity means wealth. जैसे इंडिया बहुत साल पहले सोने की चिड़िया कहलाता था बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स वेल्थ. ठीक है. सो प्रॉस्पेरिटी इज द सिंबल ऑफ ग्रीन कलर इज द सिंबल ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी विच रिप्रेजेंट्स जो रिप्रेजेंट करती है हमारी वेल्थ, हमारे हेरिटेज और हमारे ग्रीनरी को. ठीक है. एंड बीच में आपको जो सर्कल दिख रहा है, कैन यू सी द सर्कल? दैट इज नोन एज अशोका चक्र. ये जो ब्लू कलर का सर्कल है इसको अशोका चक्र कहते हैं. इसमें आपको जो लाइंस दिख रही हैं, इट हैज 24 स्पोक्स. कितनी स्पोक्स हैं? 24. सो ये जो 24 स्पोक्स हैं, इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ 24 आवर्स. जो दिन में 24 आवर्स होते हैं, 24 घंटे होते हैं, इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ दैट. जो अशोका चक्र है वो समय चक्र भी कहलाता है, बिकॉज ये टाइम को सिंबलाइज करता है. ठीक है. 24 spokes are there in अशोका चक्र. That is the symbol of 24 hours of a day. जो एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, 24 hours होते हैं, वो उसको सिंबलाइज करता है एंड टाइम को सिंबलाइज करता है. ठीक है. चलो. Okay everyone, so get your material for the activity. We start our activity now. Come on everyone, get the material required for the activity. As you all got the message, so I hope you all have prepared the peacock. आपको इसका वीडियो मिला था. You got the video of this, how to prepare this, है ना? Okay. And you will be needing the ribbons of green, white and orange color, saffron color. Okay. So mothers and fathers, you are requested to cut the ribbons into small pieces. आप उसे strength में काट दीजिए, कट करिए and then give it to child. Do not give them scissor. Okay. You have to cut. You don't get the video. Parents, kindly let me know you all got the video or not. Ma'am, it was there. You kindly check your mobile. It was there. Kindly check your mobile. So, mothers and fathers, whoever is sitting beside child, you have to cut the ribbon into small pieces, approx 10 centimeter. Okay. All the color ribbons. You have to cut the strength. So first of all, you cut the green one. Green ribbon, you have to cut into approx 10 centimeters length. And we need approx 5 bands. इस तरह की आपको 5 strips cut करनी है. Look ma'am, it is something like this. You have to draw the body of the peacock. Okay. Cut the ribbon into approx 10 centimeter of length. Advika, switch on the camera. Around 5 bands we are needing. 5. Yes, Jasdeep. So everyone ready? Garvit, where are you? Approx 10 centimeter, ma'am. So kids, now get the Fevicol and look, get the Fevicol and apply some Fevicol here at the end of the band. Apply some Fevicol here at the end of the band and then you have to stick the another end with it. Look, आपको इस तरह से लूप बनाना. You have to make this kind of loop. So आपने जो 5 bands काटे हैं, कट करे हैं green color के, the same thing you have to do in each. ठीक है? Look, again I'm showing, apply some Fevicol at the end of the ribbon. in this way, and then जो इसका second end है, you have to stick it. You have to make this kind of loop. Got it everyone? तो आपने जो 5 bends कट करे हैं green color के, the same thing you have to do with all the bends. You have to make loop out of it. Look. Okay? Come on. Same thing do with every ribbon, every strip. Apply some Fevicol at the end of the ribbon, and then you have to stick this end, another end to here. Everyone, you have to do this. Mama आपको कट कर देंगी, and you have to apply Fevicol at the end of the ribbon and stick the another end with it. Ma'am, approx 10 centimeter you have to cut. ऊपर नीचे भी होगी तो it's okay. So give Fevicol to kids, they have to apply at the end, and then they have to stick the another end with the first end. Look. Stick it. You have to stick both the end for making loop. देखो. In this way. Look. So, yes, ma'am, you have to cut the ribbon into small pieces, approx 10 centimeter. Okay. First of all, we are doing with green color. So cut 5 pieces of green color. Then the child have to apply the Fevicol here at the end. At the end of the ribbon, he or she have to apply the Fevicol. Then take the another end and stick it together. इस तरह से stick कर देना है. You have to make loop. So all the जो आपने 5 ribbons cut करें, strand cut करी हैं, you have to stick in the same way. Look. Okay. Any problem anyone? इस तरह से आपको loops बनाने हैं. Now after making the loops, you have to apply Fevicol here at the end of the body of peacock. ठीक है? एकदम यहाँ से start नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा आगे Fevicol stick करेंगे हम. ठीक है ना? Apply some Fevicol here. Look. बिल्कुल एंड पर नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा आगे होकर करेंगे. ठीक है? You have to apply some Fevicol here, and then you have to stick the loops here. जो ग्रीन कलर के हमने लूप्स बनाए वो हम यहाँ पर स्टिक कर देंगे. Okay, so now take loops and stick it. So look, here हम लोगों ने फेविकॉल अप्लाई किया. Here we have applied the फेविकॉल. So यहाँ पर हम स्टिक करेंगे वन बाय वन. Look in this way. तो हमने जो 5 लूप्स बनाए हैं, वी हैव टू स्टिक इट हियर. बिल्कुल बॉडी के एंड पर नहीं करेंगे, थोड़े आगे और बढ़कर करेंगे. ठीक है. So apply, so stick all the 5 loops here, one after another. Mothers and fathers, you only have to cut the strands and give it to child. The rest of you kids, you have to do all the activity. Look. In this way, stick all the pieces of ribbon. Okay. In this way, you have to stick. Now, in the same way, you have to cut the white strip and orange strip. अब जो white strip है उसको थोड़ा छोटा कट करिएगा ग्रीन से, and then green से orange को थोड़ा छोटा कट करेंगे. Like this, we have to make the loops. Now, white strips we will be needing only 4. हमने ग्रीन 5 बनाई थी, बट व्हाइट हमें सिर्फ 4 चाहिए, बिकॉज हम बीच में एक ब्लू कलर की रिबन लगाएंगे. It's okay then. What can I do now? Okay. In the same way, you have to cut the white ribbons. White ribbons को थोड़ा छोटा कट करिएगा, approx 8 centimeters. And only 4 white strips we will be needing and 1 blue color strip. So पहले हम 2 white वाली stick करेंगे, then 1 blue and again 2 white. Come on, kids. Abhiyan. Nice. Yes, Rishel. Nice. Nice. Good. Chalo, now we'll do the white color. Okay. So, again, you have to do the same thing. Apply some Fevicol at the end of the ribbon and then stick it. Again, you have to make a loop. जैसे आपने green color के loops बनाए थे, in the same way you have to make white color. ठीक है? 4 loops of white color and 1 loop of blue color. Come on. Apply some Fevicol at the end of the ribbon and stick the another end with it. So do it, complete it. Okay. 2 strips of white you have to stick, and then the strip of blue color ribbon. Come on, complete this. Okay. Yes, Purvi, nice. Very good. Now हमारी ग्रीन कलर की स्ट्रिप हो गई, व्हाइट हो गई. नाउ वी हैव टू follow the same procedure for orange color strip. Cut the orange color strand and make loops out of it. Now अब आप orange color का ribbon लीजिए. Yes, Divisha. Yes, Kusmita, nice. Yes, Divisha, nice. Good. Now you have to take orange color strip and we have to follow the same procedure as we do, as we followed in green color and white color strips. तो आपको इसके loops बनाने हैं. Apply some Fevicol at the top of the ribbon and stick the another end with the first one, making a loop. Ma'am, a little less than the white one. अगर आपने white की length 8 ली है तो you take 6. ठीक है. So make this kind of orange color loops as well. Apply some Fevicol at the end of one, at one end and stick the another end with the first one. Look. So make loops out of it. Ma'am, 5. 5. Okay. 5 strips of orange color. 5 strips of green. 5 of orange. And हमने white की 4 इसलिए बनाई थी because we had taken one blue color strip in between. Okay. Overall, we need 5 strips for the 3 layers. Look. So come on, make the 5 orange strips as well. Very nice, beta. Now color the beak of the peacock orange with crayon. Then it look more beautiful. Okay? So now the same procedure you have to follow. Apply some Fevicol here and stick the orange color strips. Come on. Look in this way. So stick all the strips orange color strips. Look. In this way, you have to stick the strips. So our tricolor peacock is ready. Look, our tricolor peacock is ready. Okay, after sticking the stripes, you can color the beak. You can color the beak of the peacock orange. So it looks nice. So our tricolor peacock is ready. Look.